A highly evasive adaptive threat is an attack that is designed specifically to evade the security barriers, the technology that's in place to stop it from getting to its intended victim endpoint. So it's designed to not be detected. It's designed to look benign when actually it's malicious. And if and when it gets to its endpoint, then it will steal data. It could load ransomware. That's when the activity will start to take place. What makes a heat attack unique is really that it's all about that initial access. It's all about attackers understanding what technology is in place and how the security teams look to detect and to protect their organizations, and then build their malware, build that approach so that it actually walks around the defenses rather than trying to break through them and therefore be detected. An APT, an advanced persistent threat, is, as the name suggests, it's a threat, it's a piece of malware that is designed to maintain persistence, to have a life cycle when it's planted on the victim target that it's being sent to. Now, an APT can be on an endpoint, it could be on a server, it could be on external-facing assets, like a website, that they're actually trying to plant this in. So the breadth of target platforms for it can be very, very broad. But the goal here is that piece of malware is going to maintain, is going to be able to move, is going to be able to learn what's going on so that the APT actors will be able to move throughout the network. Over time, APT has really started to become a name for the types of group that actually use these attacks as well, which are normally very well funded, nation or state-sponsored actors that are paid to go and steal data and create their malicious activities wherever they're pointed to by their funders. Heat attacks and APTs are fundamentally different. Heat attacks are really about how the attacker gets that initial access and gets to the location they're trying to get to. The APT, the advanced persistent threat, is the malware, the code that they actually plant on the other end. So they can be used hand in hand. An APT actor can use heat techniques to evade detection and then plant their APT malware on the endpoint, the device, the server, whatever it might be. And a great example of this is the Nibelium group, which has actually used heat attacks such as HTML smuggling to get their APT to the endpoints that they were targeting.